Now, I'd like to talk about my topic, the relationship between attitude and job performance. First, I will introduce the key points of the topic and the argument. Then I will detail them. Finally, I will make a short conclusion. As I have learned in the lecture, attitude is that individual's feeling, thoughts, or behavioral responses to particular stimulus. The main argument is job attitude can promote the job performance. First of all, there are three types of job attitude. There are job satisfaction, job involvement, and organizational commitment. They are the most frequently used and investigated. The job satisfaction describe a positive attitude to the work that people evaluated the job feature. In the past, scholars thought that the relationship between job satisfaction and performance is a myth, but according to the current research shows that they have very close relationship. For example, salary is a very important factor influence job satisfaction. If the employee is satisfied, the salary they will work hard and the performance will rise. Of course, the next is the job involvement. It is a sense of identity of job that individuals are working on, which means they will work very careful. They will very careful their job. There is a study indicate that a high level of job involvement can lead to low turnover and absenteeism rate. In other words, high level of job involvement can lead to high job performance. The last one is organizational commitment. It refers to the intensity of individual identification and participation in an organization. A research of 27 studies shows that for new employees, the strength of a relationship between commitment and performance is the most. But for old and experienced employees, this relation is very weak. In conclusion, job attitude has three types: job satisfaction, job involvement, and organizational commitment. They all have close relations with job performance. So, the job attitude and job performance have very close relations. That's all. Thank you for listening.